Hey everyone, guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to block payments on Cash App to, stop receiving unwanted transactions. Now, this process is quick and straightforward, so let's actually get started. So, first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up Cash App. So, launch the Cash App on your phone and just log in if you actually need to. And what you want to do next, guys, is you want to access the activity tab. So, what you're going to do is tap on the activity icon, so which is basically the clock symbol at the bottom of the screen to view recent transactions. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to find the user or payment to block. So you want to locate the payment or user you want to block in your activity list, and then just tap on the transaction of the user's profile to open up details. And then what you want to do, guys, if you want a refund, you can do the refund, or if you want, you could just tap on the user's profile icon and just scroll down within the transaction details. And you want to look for this option right here that says block this person or block payments option. You just want to select it. And then basically, guys, you just want to confirm the action when you're prompted. And this will prevent the user from sending you money or requesting payments ever again. And that's it, guys. You have successfully blocked payments on Cash App. And, if you find this guide helpful, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. And I'll see you guys next time.